In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix rate limited error on Snapchat. Let's get started. This error usually pops up when Snapchat thinks you are sending too many requests in a short period of time. It's basically Snapchat's way of saying, slow down. It can happen if you add too many friends at once. Log in and log out repeatedly, use third-party apps, or if there is a temporary server issue. The most common fix is patience. Snapchat server reset after a while, usually 15 minutes to few hours. Avoid spamming actions and give it some time. Likewise, check your internet connection, launch settings, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to refresh the network. Next, update Snapchat. Launch Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat. If you find the option of update, you will need to click on it and update the app to its latest version. If these solutions didn't work out for you, contact Snapchat support. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website help.snapchat.com. Explain about your issue and send it to Snapchat customer support. With that, it will get back to you. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for a rate limited error on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.